digital investment. So let's make another video. Today we talk about Tata Motors Q4. Tomorrow Tata Motors is expected to present its earning today. But tomorrow two motor companies present. One is one of the used to be king leaders of leaders in mm, two-wheeler, and now they are now and tomorrow with EV segment tomorrow in two-wheelers. So two earnings tomorrow, four-wheelers and two-wheelers. So let's check. Tomorrow Tata Motors is presenting its earnings. So I'll rephrase it again. Tata Motors is presenting its Q4, and TVS is also presenting its Q4. What used to be leader with the four-wheeler segment is still leader. I don't think so. They're leader. I don't think they're leader. Uh, I think HR is leader in the two-wheeler. So let's get underway. Uh, so first of all, I'll be honest with you. I invested in Tata Motors, right? When it was trading around 700, 800, I invested. At that time I was very new to investing. I thought, EV will boom a lot, but nobody was noticing. Tata Motors, nobody was noticing this. Tata Motors Q4 earnings, it has crashed, severe crash. I am so sorry to see this crash was imminent because JLR is not dominating. This is PV. So if you don't know, they have demerged Tata Motors, Tata PDV. I used to invest in Tata Motors, but I sold it because I see I thought this company is no longer now is not producing that good of a result. Compared to what Mahindra. Now Mahindra has become a frontier in four-wheeler segment, and I would prefer investing in Mahindra more than Tata Motors. Mahindra's earnings is it's been consistent. Every quarter when I check Mahindra, they do produce great cars company, they do produce great cars, with this much product launch, they always beat the sales barrier. Every time when I see Mahindra, they beat the sales barrier, and there's a reason why they are king of four-wheeler, whereas Tata Motors has not been performing. Sales of Mahindra has always beat Tata Motors. So this is that is why I have in left Tata Motors. I found better companies to be invested in. So yeah, but it is, Tata Motors, I would say it's what like with respect to Ratan Tata, I feel Tata Motors has not been produced. And top of that, one thing which bothers me about this Tata is that their donation. They are operating like they are like an NGO. They will reward most of the profit, and that is why the companies are not growing. Tata's companies are not growing. Where Reliance, Adani is growing. The majority of their money do go to this donation, and this is a worrying to me uh, for their investors. So that is why a lot of investors, if I've left Tata Motors a lot. Mahindra is getting a lot of switch. They beat sales barrier consistently. They beat sales barrier consistently, and they beat sales barrier consistently. And uh, Tata Motors, if you see Tata Motors Ideal, Tata Motors Ideal cars or unsold, you see uh, uh, if you see this, like it's increasing like in a it is increase. increasing a lot, because they are not that feature innovative compared to what Mahindra is. So that is why Tata Motors will, Mahindra will always be frontier. I am still bearish on Tata Motors. We will see how it progresses, especially if it gets rid of its waste. The main reason for its background was JLR. JLR was pathetic. JLR is one of the worst, become have become very worst, especially Jaguar. Range Rover demand is slightly increasing, but it's not like how Mercedes with G-Wagon, Lambo with Urus. It's not like that. uh, so JLR was the main division which is dragging Tata Motors. We'll see how earnings do present tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised that Tata Motors earnings be be that be good. I wouldn't be surprised if Tata Motors produce terrible earnings, but the stock still rises above because investor expected a lot worse. So yeah, we'll see how earnings present. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll show you how my crypto within for 2 seconds, 2 minutes, I've gained 30 rupees. So it's going good. I like shorting crypto more than stocks. At least at least there are more institution participants. Okay, so yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.